Water in our house is supplied by this well right here. We have no way to tell how good the quality of water is that comes inside. What I do know is we get a lot of sediment in there, but in today's video we're going to be taking care of any lead, chlorine, fluoride or VOCs that we have in our water by installing a under sink filter in our kitchen. This is a filter we're going to be installing. It's from Frizz Life. It's their SK99 and it's their direct under sink mount water filter. We put it underneath our kitchen sink right here. It's a really simple install. First thing you do is clear out your cabinet underneath your sink, if that's where you're going to be putting it. I'm going to turn off my water valve here, and if you don't have one of these easy turn ball valves here, I highly recommend you upgrade to this. It's so much easier to use. With the water valve off, we can disconnect this hose here. Now a little bit of water is going to drip out, so maybe nothing will come out. It'll be good. Oh, perfect. Here's the Frizz Life filter system. We have 3 filters here. We have the supply side and then we have the exit side where it's going to go from the filter system up to your faucet. First thing you need to connect is this inlet here. This is going to connect onto a 1/2 inch side of the hose. Now they supply everything you need. You got the supply hose here and it says it's on the inlet side, and you got your 3/8 inch connector here which will go to our supply valve. Do that hand tight for now. And I'm also going to try and slot this right in behind our supply line here so that our trash can slot in here and it won't impede where the trash can sits. Take this, we're going to connect it on to the supply line of the Frizz Life. Should just be able to push on. That's secure. I'm going to come over to the exit side. It comes with 2 different size hoses for this. Now I'm going to go from here to the supply line we already had there, so I don't think we need a long hose. Actually, I might go and change this out for the other one. This one's a little bit longer, so I'm going to switch it out. This way once I install it, I don't have to come back and take it apart. Put this on here. To replace these filters, it's really simple. Remove the whole assembly from the device, and then in here comes with a tool so you can just remove this bottom cap and then take the filter out like this. And you can replace this filter in here. Just tight. It's back on. Water line right here. So this one. Tighten up in a second, and this is why you need this longer hose, because it's going to connect to this one here. Probably could have got away with the shorter one. This way, should be able to tuck this away. It shouldn't interfere with anything. Turn the water back on. And that's how to install this Frizz Life under sink water filter. If you want to reduce the lead, the VOCs and the chlorine in your drinking water, I highly recommend you get one of these Frizz Life SK99 under sink water filters. You can argue that the water tastes better as well. Whether you're on well or whether you're on public water, this Frizz Life water filter is going to work for you and increase the quality of your drinking water.